Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Thursday, March 24th, 2022. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Teachers, please make sure you are posting your attendance. PST, all PST documentation should be current and you should be ready for the PST meeting that is upcoming. Cell phones. Students should not have cell phones in class. If students bring cell phones to school, it must remain in their backpack and powered off. And shout out to, we had a couple of students who ended up being late picked up yesterday, and there were some of our older students, and they did have their cell phones in their backpack and powered off when they were contacting their parents to see where they are. So shout out to those students for doing the right thing. I know outerwear. Many students are wearing jackets, sweatshirts that do not follow our uniform policy. Once students come into the building and are in classrooms, outerwear should meet uniform guidelines. No one should be wearing hoodies. Today's late duty is Miss Lee, tomorrow Miss Shaver. Important dates. This week we are finishing up our ACAP ELA testing for 2nd and 3rd grade. We have ACAP alternate also happening. Friday, March 25th is our Feel Good Friday. We also have World Epilepsy Day, and students may wear a purple shirt with uniform pants for a $2 donation to support epilepsy. Teachers, for Feel Good Friday, make sure you see Miss Linscomb's email that she sent out yesterday about those orders. Also, Tuesday, March 29th will be PST. Our ACAP Scholar Supporters. These are our classes that are cheering on our friends as we are taking the ACAP test. Pre-K is cheered on by cheering on Miss Overstreet's class. Miss Waller and Miss Lee's class are cheering on 4th grade. Gidry and Cunningham are cheering on 5th grade. Shaver and Clark are cheering on 3rd grade, and Duberg and Hogan are cheering on 2nd grade. So thanks for all your help with that. That's all for today's news. Have a thankful Thursday, Kate Shepherd.